everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. This recipe is part 2 of our Memorial Day long weekend cooking. Last week I showed you my smoked sloppy joes, and today we're going to make southern shrimp and grits. A delicious dish. I have the shrimp, 2 pounds of shrimp off camera, so I'll show you how easy it is to make. We're going to start out by making the grits, and to the 4 cups of boiling water, I'm going to add either a bouillon cube or in this case 1 pack of chicken bouillon. That is a little secret to flavor the grits for this recipe. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 cup of grits. Now you can use instant grits if you want. I prefer using the old-fashioned slow cook ones, but that's fine. Alright, so now that that's boiling, we're going to cover, reduce to low, and cook it for 20 minutes. Alright, the grits have cooked about 16 minutes, and they are perfectly done. They vary. To that, we're going to add some butter, and we're going to stir that in, get it all nice and creamy. Okay, this is really good stuff. If some people like to add cream or milk, you can, I guess. I never have. So let me get this incorporated and join me in a bit. Okay, so the butter's all melted. Now we're going to incorporate about that much grated sharp cheddar. And it's important we do this at this stage of the game, so the residual heat of the grits is going to melt the cheese. If you melt it over high heat on the stovetop, cheddar will start separating from its butter fat and its cheese, and it doesn't look good, and we don't like that. So you can see how it's melting just beautifully and coloring the grits. So we're going to finish mixing them in, cover them, and set them off to the side while we cook the shrimp. To the hot butter, we're going to start out by adding the scallions and the diced red pepper, and just cook that up for a few moments. To that, we're going to turn up the heat to high as we add the shrimp, because they are cold from the fridge, and they're going to drop the temperature significantly of this. Okay. And one thing I forgot to show you at the beginning, we're going to need Old Bay, and we got about 2 tablespoons here. Okay, remnants of the can. Let's mix that up. Alright, just as soon as the shrimp just start cooking, we're going to add the juice of 2 lemons, keep it at high, and finish cooking the shrimp like that. After a couple minutes, the shrimp is pink. It's perfectly cooked. Let's go ahead and plate it up. Okay, and here we have a bowl of steaming, shrimpy, gritty goodness. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay, I can tell you the grits are volcanically hot. I know that from experience. But you see what a pretty color they have, and they're so creamy and cheesy. Oh, God, I hope I don't burn myself. People, if you've never tried grits, you don't know what you're missing. This is good stuff. Also, God, it's rich. If you don't want grits, that shrimp is perfectly fine spooned over white rice. Definitely good stuff. So let's go ahead and try the shrimp. Slight hint of Old Bay. Has some nice saltiness. Lemon juice is bright. Of course, the butter is nice. This stuff makes it really pretty. Fresh vegetables. Fresh flavor. Absolutely gorgeous meal, folks. Piece of American history here. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.